Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous two videos I looked at algebra, just high school algebra, and I thought of trying to bring up a question that incorporates algebra into integration. So here is one. We are supposed to solve this equation for x, and if you check on the left hand side, we have the integral from 0 up to x of 2t minus 3t squared dt. So we begin by integrating this expression here with respect to t. Take the limits of integration 0 up to x and then equate to minus 2x and solve the equation. It will be an equation in x. So we go through this as follows. So we have the integral from 0 up to x of 2t minus 3t squared dt. We are told this is equal to minus 2x. Now on the left hand side, we're just going to use power rule here. So what are we saying? We are saying this is the same as 2t, or 2 over 2, remember, and then minus 3t power 3 over 3. We add 1 to the power. There's a power of 1 here. Add 1, you get 2. There it is, and then you divide. Add 1 there is 3, and then you divide. Limits of integration from 0 up to x, and this must be equal to minus 2x. Let's simplify what we have on the left hand side. This is t squared because these cancel, as you can see, minus t cubed. Limits of integration 0 up to x, and this is equal to minus 2x. Now we put x in that place and then put 0 and subtract. So this means x squared minus x cubed minus, open bracket, put 0 there and there now. 0 squared minus 0 cubed, and this must be equal to minus 2x. Now continuing, this is x squared minus x cubed. As you can see, minus 0, because this is a simple algebraic equation. Let me just carry on for a moment. 2x, and I'm going to write this one in standard form now. We have minus x cubed and then plus x squared. Bring the minus 2x to the left hand side, or add 2x on both sides. You're going to get 2x here, and then on the right you have 0. Let's multiply throughout by minus 1. What do we get? We get x cubed minus x squared minus 2x, and this is equal to 0. Let's factorize the left hand side. We see the common factor there of x. So we take x out. X into x cubed is x squared. X into minus x squared is minus x. X into minus 2x is minus 2. And this is equal to 0. Now you will allow me to, I have explained quite a lot, factorization of trinomials or quadratic functions. You allow me to move with speed here because we know how to factorize that. Please confirm this, that this is the same as x, open brackets. The factorization of that one will be x minus 2 in another bracket, x plus 1, and that is equal to 0. Now when you have numbers like this multiplying, therefore we can say either the first part, x equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0, which implies that x equals 2, or x plus 1 equals 0, which implies that x is equal to minus 1. So your final solution then would be, therefore we can write this one in set form. X is an element of minus 1, 0, and 2. So that's your final solution to this integral algebra in integration kind of question. Tell me what you think about this. I'll be interested to hear from you. See you next time.